Hello students, today we are going to start unit 5 of business studies, that is organizing, and it is very important unit, and we can say the second function of the management after planning. Organizing is identifying and grouping of activities to actualize the plan. Whatever we have planned in the planning stage, now we have to organize all the resources, whether they may be physical, financial, or any type of resources, and we have to focus on our previous knowledge, that is we have learned about the this organizational hierarchy. You all know that this is the top level, middle level, and bottom level, or we can say supervisory level. So, in this organizational hierarchy, we have to create posts. We have to create various posts, that who will be the top level, who will be at the middle level, and who will be at the bottom level. So, there may be a different aspect of this pyramid, like we can say at the top level we have general manager, then after general manager his subordinates may be purchase manager, sales manager, marketing manager, production manager, finance manager, and the it is the top level, and we can say it is the middle level, and after this we have a long list of supervisors, which may be allotted to each manager, and they may be depend on the nature of the industry, 4 to 5 or 10 supervisor under one manager. It actually depends on the size and scale of operation of the business. So this also represent the organizational hierarchy. So we have to create post in this way for our organization, and there are many more things, and in this unit we have a organizing process also, and this process is the shortest one. It has only 4 points, so it is very easy to learn and remember. So the process is identification and division of work. Means, first of all we have to identify that what type of work will be performed. So for that we have prepared this type of chart, like at the top level he will be the overall in charge of the organization, and he will be assisted by purchase manager, sales manager, marketing manager, production manager, finance manager, and there may be more than that. So these are the identification of work, and we have divided the work of each specialist into different divisions, or we can say those who are expert in a particular work, they will be under same department. Like purchase manager is expert in purchase, so he will be assisted by those supervisors who are expert in this field. Similar to others, and here we can say that in the first step we have to identify the task to be performed, one thing, and another one is division of work, means specialization. We can write here specialization, because every specialist has a separate function. Then next step is departmentalization. We have to create departments. Department of each. It may be created in two ways, or the two ways may be either functional or divisional. In the functional type of organizational structure, we have similar to this one, the chart will be similar to this one. But in divisional structure, the chart will be different, like general manager at the top level, then they may be producing different type of goods like footwear, skin care, garments, and there may be a long list of products. So this type of structure which depend on the products are called divisional structure, and in this structure we have to create separate divisions. These are divisions. Like footwear is one division, then skin care is second division, and garments is third division. So it is the part of second part of the process. Departmentalization means creating department. Either we can create department in this way or that way. Next is assignment of duties. Assignment of duties means the post we have created, we have to assign their duties to the persons or the person who are holding that post, and we have to clarify each and everything to them that you are responsible for this much task and how the work will be carried on. The entire process will be told to them so that they can effectively and efficiently contribute to the organizational objective. And last one is establishing reporting relationship. Here we just want to clarify that who is senior and who is junior, or we can say who is subordinate. So there must be a senior subordinate relationship, otherwise the employee may be confused that after completing the task to whom I shall report. So for removing that confusion, we have created such type of structures. We told them that you are at this place in the middle level or bottom level. So these posts are already created. The organizational chart is with us. So we will tell them that, for example, purchase manager, sales manager, these all managers are subordinate to the general manager. So their authority and responsibility will be less than the general manager, and the highest level of authority and responsibility will be at the top level. So we have to tell them or tell the employees about the reporting relationship. But here actually the employees are not appointed. We will appoint the employees at the staffing level, that is next unit. So we prepare notes for each and every post, that who will be reporting to whom. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.